Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login Aid. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to clear Brave search history on PC. Brave is one of the web browser where you can automatically block your ads on your web browser. To clear the search history on Brave, first open your Brave web browser on your PC. Now here you can see the main tab. Now click on three lines present on top right corner of the tab. Then here you can see different kind of options. Now click on history option. Then here you can see history option again on the first. Here you can see you can directly access to your history on Brave by clicking on Ctrl and H at the same time on your keyboard. I am going to click on history option on the top. With this, here you'll be able to see all your browsing history on your Brave. Now here you can see clear browsing data option on the left side. Click on clear browsing data option. Then here you can see a box. Now here you can select the time range by clicking on the given box. Then you can select the time till which you want to delete your browsing history. After this, here you can choose the options of which type of history you want to remove. You can specifically choose for browsing history, cookies and other site data, or your cached images and files. Like here, I don't want to delete my cached images and files data, so you can click on the given box near cached images and files. Here you can also see advanced option. Click on advanced option on the top. Then here you can also select the different type of advanced data that you can delete or you can unselect as well. Like if I don't want to delete download history, then you can click on the box near download history so that your download history of that period won't be deleted. Now here you can also click on exit option on the top. Then here you can select the type of data that you want to delete simultaneously. After selecting the type of data that you want to delete, click on clear data option on down. With this, all your data on that time period will be deleted. This is how we can clear Brave search history on PC. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you like today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.